Hello everyone, good day. Ayan, for today's video, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-withdraw ng USDT withdrawal in Popo Live. So since monthsary, 17th monthsary ng TLC agency, ayan, i-withdraw natin yung 3rd week withdrawal ng earnings ko in Popo Live. So click lang natin yung points. Ito nga pala yung na-earn ko, 1,021,668 points. So i-convert natin siya. Click natin ng withdraw. And then sa mga gusto na magpa-withdraw ng USDT method, click mo lang yung USDT. Ayan. Tapos click withdraw. After nyan, i-click nyo lang yung amount, 102 or 100 US dollar. Ayan, submit, withdraw, and then confirm your security password. Ayan, done. So, nag-success na siya. After success, i-click lang natin yung dito kay Popo Live. Ayan, unread. May under review, $99.6 under review. So ayan, local currency is 5,679.48 pesos siya kung mag-withdraw. Okay, so antayin lang natin mag-successful withdrawal para makuha natin yung earnings in Popo Live. Ayan, 99.6 for withdrawal successful, only take 1 minute. Wow, ang bilis. Thank you so much, Popo Live.